Is this the face video? Oh no, I need to see it. Did I miss a lot?
No, it just started.
The name of the technique is called the lion. You may know this, but we've added a few new things to it. You're going to watch me first, and then you'll follow along.
You have to try.
It starts with a low O.
Wait, are you taping the video with your phone?
Yep.
Maya.
Yes, the bottom part of your face. Then accompany it with sticking your tongue out.
Oh no!
Stretch. We will then look up so we can work
She just wants to stretch her
eyes.
face.
Now I'm going to demonstrate this, and then you'll do
I
it
love
along
your
with me.
laugh.
And then you'll do
so much.
it. Oh, that's terrifying. Oh no. She's showing. That's horrible.
Wow.
Okay, your turn, Maya.
Oxygenating the blood.
Oh wow, that was so relaxing.
10 years old the way you look.
10 years off.
She looks so old. Oh my gosh,
Why would you ever need to wear that to do these exercises?
A renowned surgeon from San Francisco of the stars says facial exercises reduce, perhaps
You missed
eliminate
it all.
plastic surgery and
She
definitely
looks like
slows
she's
down
had plastic
manifestations
surgery a
of
little
aging. That's for us. One of the areas that I hate most is the neck.
Oh no.
Girl.
This particular area becomes very crepey and drapey as we get older. So of course what we want to do is we want to tighten it up. This particular position is called the ugly face.
Oh
And
yeah.
it's self-explanatory. I'm going to demonstrate it to you, and then you'll do it along with me if you
Okay.
can keep from laughing. The way it starts
Not
is
happening.
you're going to underbite, which means put your bottom teeth over your top teeth, like this.
Wait, is this supposed to make you look better?
Feel
Yeah.
the stretch. Then
Oh,
you're going to take your head back, stick your neck out, and you'll feel a tremendous stretch over your chin.
Why are we all doing this?
You can watch me do it, and I think you'll get the idea.
I don't want a crepey neck.
I can do that.
She breathes.
Wait
Why
for
does she
it.
breathe like that?
Why does she do that?
I don't even know.
What's the
She has to get in the zone. She can't laugh. She's stretching her
Okay,
neck.
your turn.
I can never do this. This would still be funny to me.
No double chin for us.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm on.
Oh, that's hilarious.
That
How
is
did you
hilarious.
find?
Oh no. What
First of all, hilarious
wearing?
music.
What is she wearing?
Oh gosh, look at.
In my ears.
Her like hunched over position, is that really necessary?
Something sexy.
As long as this helps you. Ever.
I wonder if people like paid her to come in to do conferences and stuff.
Oh man.
We'll pay you whatever you want. Just come to our conference. Her outfit. I wonder how many people do this for real.
Nope.
Not having a double chin.
I think it might go microphone now.
Why is that necessary?
She's like still going.
Super pointlessly long.
I love how she has to be hunched over for this.
Why is that necessary? Is that strenuous?
And look at Look like the really nice like luxury corner she's in of like some like nice house.
Look at that outfit. That's disgusting. And for the last face exercise, stretch out